This is our large Everyday Carry Satchel. This one's designed around a 12.9-inch iPad Pro. This one's built in Wicket and Craig leather from Pennsylvania. It's the milled harness for the body, dark brown English bridle for the binding and strap work. The shoulder strap is long enough for most people, say 5'7" to about 6'2". It's adjusted on both sides. So you have basically like an organizer section here. You put your cell phone or keys or something like that. A couple pen slots. An exterior zipper here for basically a hidden compartment. Full leather binding on the top edge here as well. 10.10 ounce army duck for the interior. Double thick leather bottom. It's a bit more structured than the upper part, so it's plenty protected. And then here's the pocket for the 12.9 up to a 12.9-inch iPad Pro.